What is up, guys? Welcome back again, and today we're working on the 2012 Nissan Sentra, and what we're going to be doing today is replacing the front shocks. If you need to do this, stay tuned. Starters, vehicles up already. If you guys are doing this on the floor, make sure you jack it up and put jack stands on the bottom so we can make sure that we are safe. All right, so first we need to undo the 3 bolts on the top. So here's one here, the other one here. The other one was back here behind this cover, and it's gonna be down there. There you go, you guys can see it. On the other side, it's a little bit more difficult. I had to take off the windshield wiper from there to give me access to this. Then I'm gonna take off the bolt that's behind this little bracket right here. So I'm gonna take off those 3 bolts. Same thing on the other side, and then we're gonna take off the front wheels. That way we can get the bottom bolts out so we can take out the shocks. All right, and now with the wheel off, we are going to, and this is loose already since we took out the 3 bolts on the top. So now what we gotta do, we gotta undo this one right here to remove the sway bar link out of the way. We're gonna remove this clip here to remove the brake line out of the way. This ABS sensor cable, it just pops out this way. Just comes out of that clip. And then we're gonna undo those 2 nuts here to take off this. And then we're gonna remove this whole as one piece assembly out of here. That way we can put it here on the ground. And I'm gonna do the same thing on both sides and then bring them out here, and then I'm gonna use my special clamps to clamp it down. Here we go. So I took everything off already. The bolts are right here on the side. The sway bar link right there, it's right here on the bottom. So now I'm gonna go do the other side, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to use the clamps here so we can do this part right here. All right, so here we go. Here we have the old shocks. I really make sure that they match to the new ones. This is what we're gonna use right here to clamp down on the spring. It has little clamps like this. So basically we're just gonna put it here, one in the top, one in the bottom. We lock it in place, and then we tighten it up, and we just gotta try to make sure that it's one on either side, in completely opposite sides. That way it clamps it down evenly. Once it's down, we take out the bolt in the top, replace the strut, put the spring on the new strut with the little rubber that is gonna have down here, and that's pretty much it. Here it is, so you guys can see it. We put them about opposite from each other, separate corners. Here is the little clip where it kind of like locks it into place. Now, even though you're using this and even though it has little safety clips, you still want to be careful. It could still malfunction. The thing can break and just bust open, or all this other stuff could always happen. So always be extremely careful. Now we're going to find the nut that goes here. All right, so here we go. This is a 19 here. This one up here is going to be an 18. And sometimes we need this one to hold the strut down so we can turn this nut here. So that is our next step right there. All right, so here we go. Now very slowly we're gonna tighten up this ones on the side. One side at a time. We check it if it's loose enough yet. Maybe a little bit tighter. I think that's really tight. Let me take this one off so I can kind of gauge how loose it needs to be. That's probably about right. Let's see. Okay, so now we're gonna loosen this one up. See if it wants to turn. If not, we're gonna have to hold it down. Nope. There it goes. There goes the nut. This is what they call the strut. This one right here is a strut mount. goes. Just trying to get it loose from here. There we go. That's the strut mount right there. So now we take this one off of here very carefully. You don't want to throw it or slam it or anything. Now we want to try to put this one in the same position. That's the newest one. This rubber right here in the bottom. We're going to transfer it to this one. This is bad. You see how the strut doesn't go up anymore? That's a bad strut. Okay, now with this one here, I'm gonna put this one here in the same position. Take this one off. I think we might even have to, it has trash down here. I think we might even have to tighten it up even more. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we definitely need to tighten this one up even more. So now we're able to put it back in there just a little bit, just enough so I can tighten it up with the impact. This one is actually size 18, different size than the old one. So now we're just gonna hold this one and tighten this one up. And you guys can see it right away. It went all the way in. So now I'm gonna loosen this one up to get the spring back up to its original place. Same thing, one at a time, very slowly. Vamos loose. Gonna undo these clips on the bottom. Take this one off. Clip off. That one's off. Clip off. There we go. We have replaced the strut. Alright guys, so there you go. That's how you replace the strut. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other one. And then I'm going to put everything back on in the reverse order. Alright guys, so I really hope this video helps somebody out. If you have any questions, just ask down below. I'll get to it as soon as I can. I try to reply to every single comment or question that you guys have. I really hope this video helps somebody out. Alright guys, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great day.